The hills are alive with the sound of robots. On America's farms, new terms are popping up like coding, drone, data, GPS, AI. The cloud today has no bearing on bumper crops. It's cold, hard computing. In fact, farmers could eventually start their day in front of computer screens, checking data, streaming in from self-guided machines that have been planting or harvesting right through the night. It's a huge leap, especially when you consider this.
You have no idea how strange it is to grip a plow for the first time. The wonderful feeling it gives you.
It wasn't until 1954 that the number of tractors on farms exceeded the number of horses and mules. The move to robotic farming is driven by a few factors: a labor shortage, the rapid evolution of high-tech innovation, and the need to meet intensifying production demands. Here's just a sampling of some robots being tested. There's the Harvest computerized robotic optimized obtainer. It's still in development, but it could be in the fields of Florida and California in 2019. The goal here is to pick a strawberry plant in only 8 seconds and cover 8 acres in a day. Experts say one machine could replace 30 hand pickers. Dogtooth Technologies is developing autonomous robots capable of locating and picking ripe fruit and grading the quality in the process. Soft Robotics has developed a gripping system with the dexterity of a human hand. It doesn't crush fragile produce. It would help harvesting and food processing operations to automate the supply chain. There's also something called swarm technology. AGCO is fine-tuning small robotic fleets that would perform high-precision tasks like corn planting. The robots can work 24 hours a day. They can even automatically call in a replacement robot if one of them breaks down. The Future Farmers of America website sums it all up like this. Earth's population will be 9.8 billion by 2050, requiring a 60% increase in agricultural production. Rapidly evolving talent, innovation, and technical aptitude is required to meet this challenge. While some jobs are going away, others will be created. Because, as with any computer, human hands are going to be programming and operating the machines that are doing the planting and picking. And these techies will need intimate knowledge of how agriculture works. The skills needed will range from communication technology to high-tech repairs to data analysis and debugging code. In 1954, mules and horses got replaced by human-driven tractors.
The main idea is making machines do more so man can do more.
And now with robots behind the wheel, humans will yet again shift roles on America's farms.